Hello, collective. I am just out walking, enjoying the weather. And when I was on my way downstairs, in a lot of the places, like community places and that sort of thing here, you're required to take your shoes off when you go inside and into the temples and that sort of thing. But and so I was putting my slippers on. I wasn't at a temple, but I was putting my slippers on. And Spirit gave me birds of prey. Okay, spiritual birds of prey. And so I'm like, wow, birds of prey, what does that mean? What does it mean to be a spiritual bird of prey? Okay, and so I looked it up, okay, and what it means to be, as you could probably hear me smiling, but what it means to be a spiritual bird of prey, it means that you are protected. In ancient Egypt, if you were considered a bird of prey spirit, okay, I should say spirit guide, or ancestor, then the Pharaoh protected you, okay? And you can Google this. What is the spiritual meaning of the bird of prey, or a bird of prey? Okay, you can Google it. That's all I did. I just looked it up, okay? And so really, really, really interesting. And the threat was death if they were to be harmed. Birds of prey in ancient Egypt were protected by the Pharaoh, and the consequences for harming one was death. They are considered to be good fortune. Birds of prey, as I was putting my slippers on. Okay, so I hope you're doing well. Again, I'm out here in Malaysia enjoying the weather. It is really, really nice tonight because it's rained all day. So, I mean, the weather is really, really, really kind of ideal. So, yeah. All right. Thank you so much, as always, for your energy, for your time. Again, my downloads are for you as well. They're not just for me. So if you resonate with this at all, let me know. Okay? Till next time. Thanks for tuning in.